dear second grade students. How are you guys today? I hope all of you are feeling good and fine and also healthy. I am Miss Perush with you for today's, which is our lesson is our lesson is reading, and for the topic, what do we have? We said the subject is reading and the topic is bridge. So we will talk about bridge. Please, all of you, prepare your books to page number 4 so we can start all of us together. Our topic is bridge. What is a bridge? We use a bridge to go across the water. We will go from one side of the land to the other side of the land. Let's see our paragraph, what it's talking about. First paragraph, it says, have you ever stepped on a stone to get across a puddle or a stream? Have you ever stepped on a stone to get across a puddle or a stream? If you have, you were using a bridge. So if you were stepping on a stone to get across a puddle or a stream, you are using a bridge. And the second paragraph says bridges are different sizes and shapes. Everything is coming in a different size and different shapes as well as bridges. Some bridges have straight legs or supports called beams. So let's highlight this word. Some bridges have a straight leg. Their leg is straight, which we call it beam. Which we call it what? Beams. Other bridges have curved support. They are supported in a curved way, which we call it what? We call it arches. So we have different shapes for the bridge. We have straight leg, which we called what? Call it beams. And we have curved support, which we called arches. Still other actually hang from strong steel ropes. But we have other bridges which we hang it from strong steel ropes, which are cables, or we can call it cables instead of strong steel rope that are so that are sorry, that are strung above the surface of the bridge. So they are, as you can see in this bridge, we have strong steel ropes that are strung above the surface of the bridge. So this is the surface of the bridge, and those strong steel cables are hanged above it, so it can do what? The cable are then attached to the land on either end of the bridge. So the cables are attached to the land on either end of the bridge. As you can see, look at my pointer, this is a land, and those cable ropes, they are attached to the ends of the land. So they are attached to the either ends of the land, so it can support the bridge. Let's highlight attached. It means grabbed. It grabs the other land. Okay. Most bridges go over water. As you can see, this bridge is going over the water, so the cars and people and other things can go across from this land to the other land, from the first side to the other side of the bridge, so they can get across and go to the purpose place. But some bridges were made to carry water. Some bridges were made to what? To do what? To carry water. About 2000 years ago, the Romans. Who? The Romans. Let's remember the Romans built this kind of bridge. So the Romans built a bridge to carry water from one side of a bridge to the other side of the bridge. Okay, and now let's carry on reading. One such bridge in France. Also in France, who they built three level, three-leveled bridge. They also built three-leveled bridge. The water flowed in the top level, so the water flowed in the top level, and people and carts. Carts are what? They are carriages that go with a horse, or they are attached to the back of the horse. People in ancient time, they were using carts to travel on the two lower levels. They were using the carts. Okay, so let's look at the keywords. First of all, we have stone, which is a big rock, and puddle, it's a small place of water that is surrounded by land, and the water is inside the circle. Stream is uh, running water. Size, shape, beams, arches, steel ropes, and attached. Let's go to the other slide and see what those keywords. So, the keywords. We have stream and stone. This is a stream, as I said, it is a running water that is narrated between two other lands. This big rock is called stone. We can go across this side of the land, jumping on those stones to the other side of the land and coming back so we don't get wet, and we use it as a bridge. Also, we have steel rope, or we can call it what? We can call it cables. Those steel ropes are used to make the bridge strong and safe. Arts and beams, we said uh, bridges have different supports for, we can call them beams or arts. Beams are straight legs. Look at this beam, it's a straight leg, and look at this arch, it's a curved leg. So this is curved to support the bridge. We have three-level bridge in France. So in France we have three-leveled bridge. The first level was used to float water to go across one side of the land to the other side where they needed the water to go. The second and the first level, they were used for people and also carts to go and travel. Let's go to the, and we have what? We have some questions about the paragraph or the passage we just learned about, and which is bridge. Let's see. It says this passage is mostly about. It is about what? Old bridges, or kinds of bridges, or making bridges. Can you answer before I answer? It is for all kinds of bridge. All kinds of bridge. It is for all kinds of bridge. We will learn about all kinds of bridge with this paragraph. The author wrote this selection too, so the author means the person that wrote this story make you laugh. It is for you to laugh about it, or help you to learn. It is for you to help you learn. Number 3. Think about what you already know about bridges. What are bridges for? So, can you think about what you already know about the bridge and what are bridges? Let's answer this question. together. Bridges are for to get across or to get over something or to carry things across. So to get across or to go over something or to get things across. This passage tells about another use of bridges, what they are. The other thing about bridges, some bridges were made to carry water. Some bridges were made to carry water as Romans and ancient France used it for carrying water. It says, are all bridges made by human? What might a natural bridge be made of? Are all bridges made by human? No. A natural bridge could be made of rocks or logs. So a natural bridge could be made of rocks or logs. How are bridges with arches and beams different? The bridges with arches and beams, how they are different? As I told you, the arches have a curved support, so the arches are curved, the support is curved, but the beams have a straight support. As I said, the beams has a straight legs, but the arches have a curved legs. Number 7, the Golden Gate. The Golden Gate Bridge is the prettiest bridge in USA. Is that a fact or an opinion? Is it the prettiest bridge in the USA? Is it the truth or somebody said so? It is an opinion, as I said. So this is our lesson for today. I hope all of you had beneficial of it and hope you a great day. We will see each other in classes soon, inshallah. Have a nice day and good.